Hello everybody, I am Emlal Sapota. I am from Best PT Center. Friends, in today's lesson, I am going to discuss how can we achieve high marks in PTE. PTE, Pearson Test of English Academic. It is one of the renowned English language testing system in the present world. It is accepted by most of the universities in the world, most of the countries and their universities in the world. It is widely accepted in different parts of the world. And PTE, Pearson Test of English, it has four major sections. They are speaking, reading, listening and writing. Speaking and writing in one section, and you have reading. After reading you have 10-minute optional break, then after optional break you have listening. After listening the test is completed, and you will wait for the result. So how can you boost marks in PTE? PTE speaking is one of the most important, it is almost most important part of PTE, and it covers 90 marks in PTE. And in PT is called integrated testing system, English testing system, and the marks goes from one items or one section to another sections, and there are different items in PT: speaking, reading, listening, and writing. So PT speaking, there are five major sections. They are read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, retell lecture, and short question, answer short questions. And PT writing, there are summarize written text and essay writing. While talking about the PT reading, and they are reading and writing fill in the blanks, drag and drop fill in the blanks, reorder the paragraph, multiple choice to single answer, multiple choice to multiple answer. And while talking about the listening, summarize spoken text, multiple choice to single answer, multiple choice to multiple answer, listening fill in the blanks, select missing word, highlight incorrect summary, and write from dictation. Among them, four questions are most important part of, four items are most important part of PT. They are summarize, write, repeat sentence, number one. Number two, write from dictation. Number three, reading and writing fill the blanks. Number four, read aloud. These four items are most important part of PT. You need to focus more on these items. If you focus on more these items, you can achieve high marks in PT. So focus more on these items, and while talking about them, we should not ignore other section as well. So we need to pay more attention equally on other item as well. So if you want to achieve high marks in PT test, focus more on all item equally. But if you ignore some section, your marks can be reduced. You cannot achieve high marks or 90 out of 90 in PT. So focus more on this part of the items. Friends, these are the most important item I told you before. And how can we score high marks in PT speaking? Speaking is the most important part of PT. In order to score high marks in PT speaking, you need to develop smart vocabulary. You need to develop smart speaking. You need to develop smart fluency. Fluency is the most important part of PT speaking. Fluency, pronunciation, content, these are enabling skills here. Fluency and pronunciation, these are major enabling skill, and you should not forget content as well. Content cover high marks in listening and in repeat sentence and retell lecture, and speaking from the described image. In PT writing, you should focus on vocabulary. Vocabulary is the most important part of PT, and you should not ignore grammar and spelling as well. In PT reading, you should have sound knowledge about the good vocabulary. It is vocabulary based item, and there are other major sections, major item in PT reading. They are reading and writing fill in the blanks and reading fill in the blanks. You should focus more on this part. Practice a lot and read vocabulary, and there are other parts to content, vocabulary and grammar and collocations. You should have sound knowledge about the collocation and grammar in order to tackle this question in the test. And PT listening, please enhance your listening skill. If you enhance your listening skill, you can correct, or you can choose the correct option there, and you can achieve high marks in PT listening as well. So these are the most important part of PT. You should not ignore any item in order to achieve high marks in PT test. So these are the most important part of speaking or listening, reading and writing I told you. Friends, pay more attention, practice a lot, and practice in the right way. Apply right strategy and practice a lot. That help you to achieve high marks in your PT test. So friends, how is my video? Please do like, comment, and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon. And I'll make many videos in the days to come. Thank you very much for watching this.